Welcome to all in this my YouTube channel. Now today, in continuation with the last our video, as we have started the chapter solutions. In last video, we have seen the introductory part of this chapter, that is solutions. Now, in continuation with that, now today our point is the variation of solubilities of some ionic solids with temperature. This point now today we will discuss in our this video lecture. Now according to this point, we have considered some different ionic salts here, that is KNO3, NaNO3, NaBr, KBr, KCl, NaCl, sodium sulfate. All these are nothing but the ionic salts. Now what we have to study? Variation of solubilities of some ionic solids. All these are nothing but the ionic solids. And this variation we have to study with the temperature. Now this temperature factor, how it affects on the solubility of different ionic solids, that point now today we are going to discuss with the help of this graph. Okay. Now if we came across this point, we should first draw a graph of solubility versus temperature, which I have already drawn. According to the temperature, solubility varies. This point we have already studied in our last video lecture. Now, in that point, how we have studied effect of temperature on solubility. That point we already studied. But here, for ionic solids, their nature will be different. That point now we are going to study with the help of this graph. Okay. Now look at here, the ionic solids, if we generally consider any chemical compound, its solubility increases with the increase in temperature. Now why it increases? Generally 10 degree rise in temperature increases its solubility twice. So this is the perfect what we can say judgment we can say. But why solubility increases? It is due to the, if we consider any liquid, it has some holes, means that due to the increase in number of holes, that solid may get occupied in that holes, so the solubility gets increases with the increase in temperature. So this is the reason behind that why the with the increase in temperature solubility gets increases. But this is not, means this case is not applicable to the all chemicals or all the chemical substances. There are some exceptional cases are also there, that now we are going to study with the help of this graph. Now we will come across this graph, how this variation will occur. Now look at the nature of different plots which we have got by drawing the solubility, and this solubility we have studied with the help of temperature. Now here look at these three ionic solids, NaBr, KCl and NaCl, means how its variation with the temperature, means how its solubility changes with the temperature. Now that we are going to see. Here look at the nature of graph. There is a slight increase in solubility of these ionic salts with the increase in temperature is observed. Slight increase in the sense. Now look at here. If you observe the horizontal position of the increase in this solubility with the help of this graph, you will notice that there is no any sharp increase. Sharp increase is you can see with the help of this KNO3 graph. Now look at here, there is a sharp increase KNO3 if you consider. But if you look at the nature of these three ionic solids, NaBr, KCl, NaCl, there is a slight increase is going on with the temperature. But if you look at the another different ionic solids instead of these three, if you look at KNO3, NaNO3, KBr, for these ionic solids there with the means with the increasing temperature, solubility increases sharply. Now look at this three graphs: KNO3, NaNO3 and KBr. You will notice that there is a sharp increase will takes place. But if we notice the one of the ionic solid, that is sodium sulfate, its nature will be different than that of all of these. Now, what is the difference that we are going to look at here? Now look at here the nature of graph. First, with increasing temperature, the solubility of Na2SO4 first increases slightly. Then at this point, that is at 30 degrees Celsius, you will notice that there is a decrease will takes place. Means with increasing temperature above from the point 30 degrees Celsius, you will notice that there is a decrease in solubility of sodium sulfate will take place. Now this is the different thing from that of all of these ionic solids. This is one of the exceptional case that we can point out in this graph. So its nature is different than that of all of these three solids. As earlier I have mentioned, the nature is not equivalent to all the ionic solids. There are some exceptional cases, or there are some exceptional chemical compounds which are there, in which generally what we can say, solubility increases with the increase in temperature. But here you will notice that the sodium sulfate, that is Na2SO4, shows a different case than that of all these ionic compounds. That is what, with the increasing temperature, first its solubility increases up to some point, and after that its solubility gets decreases. That is the very important point in this graph. So this is the point what we can say, variation of solubilities of some ionic solids with the temperature that we have studied with the help of this graph. So these are the different important points which are related to the ionic solids.